As the name suggests safety means we must take care of ourselves. We must be careful for our safety at all the places, at home, in school, and on roads. Life is only one, so we have to enjoy the life. How can we enjoy the life? By keeping ourselves safe. Clear? So in this chapter we will study about keeping ourselves safe at home, at school, and on the road. That what things we should keep in mind while we are at home. Let us study about safety at home. Children, at home you feel so relaxed and spend time with your family. But there are many things at home which can hurt you, or you should remain careful while using them. So what are they? Can you name some of them? Like electrical appliances, sharp things like scissors, shaving blades, knives, and all. You should not touch them, otherwise, you may get hurt. Use of a matchstick can burn you. So, you should stay away from all these things. Some more things are there which you should not use. Like how? When you are so small, now also you children are very small that you don't know which medicine you need to take and which you should stay away from. So, your parents are there to look after all these things. So, you should stay away from medicines also. Like you should not touch them, they can be dangerous for you. Second thing, chemicals are there which we use at home. Your parents, your mama is using to clean the floor, to clean the kitchen and all. So you should not touch them. You should not touch them. Phones and mobiles and internet, all these things have to be used very carefully, because any information given by you on mobiles can bring a loss for your family. So, children, be careful at home. Don't touch any of the electrical appliances. Don't touch them because they can give you electric shock. Electric shock. You should not put the fingers in the plugs. You should not touch the microwave ovens, irons, and all. I hope till here you might have understood. Here is a box given to you, milestone. This you can do on your own. This is just an exercise for you. Now, safety at school. You can face dangers in school if you are careless. Children, if you don't obey your teachers, you may get hurt because you are not following the instructions of the teacher. Here, can you see in this picture? One child is pushing the other child. So, it is a very bad thing. You must be a good child. So, children, please do not run up and down the stairs. Do not jump on the desks. And don't touch any of the chemicals you see in the toilets or anywhere. In the laboratories, although you people are very small, you are not going to the laboratories, but still this is a point that has to be considered for the safety at school. Now children, let us move on to the word meanings given here. Insecticides. What are insecticides? A substance used for killing insects. As the name suggests, insecticides. So a substance used to kill insects. Understood? Next is supervision. Supervision means control. Control means you are under the supervision of your teachers. So that now I think you have understood the meaning of supervision. Gadget, a small mechanical or electrical device. Any electrical or mechanical device is a gadget, like washing machine, oven, and all these, iron, all these are gadgets. Here is a small exercise given to you. This also you can solve. All these two are your homework. Now moving on to the safety on roads. Children, you have studied about this in your previous class also. So it is very easy for you to grasp. Can you tell me what is this? It is zebra crossing. What happens here? People are allowed to cross the road from the zebra crossing. Clear? Now, it is important to maintain safety on the road. While walking on the road or driving a vehicle, we should be aware of these things. So what are the points given here? I'll just read for you. When walking or driving on the road, keep to your left. Do not run on the road. Do not walk in the middle of the road. Always walk on the footpath. Stand in a queue when waiting for a bus. Do not board or get down from a moving bus. Do not throw anything out of a moving bus. I have seen many children while going in their autos or buses, they are throwing the wrappers of the food. I mean, like Lays and all, biscuits, throwing outside the window. It's a very bad habit. It gives a very bad impression that the children of this school are not taught the manners. So, you all are good, I know that. So, please, children, be careful about good habits. This shows your etiquettes and manners also. Understood? Do not throw anything out of a moving bus. Watch the traffic lights before crossing the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green at the zebra crossing. Always follow the traffic lights. Red light tells us to stop, yellow light tells us to wait and look till it is green, and green light tells us to go. If there is no traffic light, then look to your right and then look to your left and again to your right and cross the road when it is clear. Understood? I hope these points are very easy to learn also. So many points are given. You may be asked 5 points. So the easy ones you can learn. Keeping safe in your hands by following simple instructions and by staying aware, you can you can avoid dangers at home, in school and on the roads. So stay alert, stay safe. You have to be alert, be attentive, then only you can remain safe. Clear? I hope the chapter is understood by you all. So children, thank you so much. God bless you all. Read the chapter once again for better understanding. Bye bye.